Welcome back to Ricer Squad. I'm Tyler, and this is my 300ZX.
Tell her you love her, and next week you just want your space. Why you do that? Tell her you want her, but next week you do your own thing. Why you do that? I can't explain it, but you know it working for me. She text me, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate.
It's got a 3.0 V6. I got it the day after Trump won, so this has been a good week for me.
It's an American car.
Yes, it is.
It's USDM.
Patriotic.
Patriotic. You got some
With a little bit of JDM.
always, because we're JDM. We're Japanese domestic market, bro. Anyway, this is it. It's got the Lambo lights and everything.
It does. It does.
I'll show them the back, because the back is by far the best part of this car.
I love the back, especially with the exhaust.
So this is a Z32. So it's got the fresh headlights or brake lights. Now show them the best part about this car, Tyler. Just show them the best part. So this is, oh, you can stick your whole hand in the exhaust. It's big, both hands in the exhaust. And his hands aren't tiny. Are they tiny? Do you have Donald Trump hands?
Hey, but I'm still Donald Trump.
This is the car you've wanted to, so like, you've been saving up for a while.
Yeah, like, I've saved up for this car since April of this year. When I first started the job to save for it, I had like $5 in my pocket. And now I'm here with my 300ZX. And it's not mine, I'm not about mommy and daddy's money. This is completely my car.
Was it worth it?
It was worth every dime.
Are you happy? We are gonna make some cinematic, like we're gonna make some good videos out of this car.
I love this thing.
As soon as it's like ready to go on the road and everything. Shout out Ikigai Auto. Ikigai. Up of the 300ZX, go.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. This is my car. Peace.